Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Amanda, the Buzz Coach, helping women like you live healthier, fit lives. So if you're anything like me, you probably have 2 left feet, hate country music, or both. Congratulations, you're difficult to live with. But if you're looking to lose 15 pounds and shake your moneymaker while you're at it, then you just might love the Country Heat workout program. Country Heat is a line dancing inspired workout program that claims to make you sweat, tone your muscles, lose weight, and just forget you're working out in the first place.
Oh please, if I'm not lying on the couch eating Doritos, it's definitely a workout, sis.
The Country Heat program features some of the hottest country singers and songs, including songs from artists like Luke Bryan, Keith Urban, and the Dixie Chicks. And most importantly, it features some of my own personal favorite songs like Footloose and Cotton Eye Joe. Do you guys remember the Cotton Eye Joe? Whenever Cotton Eye Joe would start playing at our middle school dance, I'd just be like, oh,
I'm away. This is my shit!
And the creators of the Country Heat program are, you guessed it, Beachbody! Yes, indeed, the fitness company Beachbody has done it again, finding new ways to keep my fat ass off the couch, out of the pantry, and into a toe-tapping dance frenzy that's usually witnessed at family weddings. And just in case you were wondering, you can find the Country Heat program within the Beachbody On Demand app, which you can try for free for 14 days. Since I am a Beachbody coach, I will include my coach affiliate link to the 14-day free trial in the description below. If you happen to click on that link and make a purchase, I will receive a small commission from Beachbody at no extra cost to you. And it also means that you get me as your coach. Now, what makes the Country Heat program so unique is how you learn the dance moves. I'll have Autumn explain.
Each move you're gonna dance for 8 counts. We dance move 1 for 8 counts and move 2 for 8 counts. We put them together and then we forget about those and we move on.
Thank you, Autumn.
How?
Right. Anyways, each workout in the Country Heat program is approximately 30 minutes long. And like Autumn mentioned before, you only need to know at most 2 moves at a time, and then you forget about it when you move on to the next section. There is no memorizing, no routines, and no scary flashbacks of past dance recitals gone wrong. It's okay, I can do it again.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We've all been there. All you need to do is focus on the dance moves and just have a good time. So I'm gonna take you inside the Country Heat program and I'm gonna show you what to expect. Let's go take a look. So as I go inside Country Heat on the fitness app, I'm going to go and click on a workout. So this is what a typical workout will look like. It starts off with Autumn introducing herself and the group and the move. And she starts with the first move, gives you a rundown, and then you would then follow along with her for the first 2 moves. Put them together, and then you just shimmy and have a good time. And that's the basic structure of these workouts. And just looking down here, you'll also see that there's breakdown moves for each of the big moves in each of these workout sessions. So if you're stuck on a move, you can always go to the breakdown move section and practice before actually doing your workout. And then if you look in the program materials, you'll see a bunch of helpful things to help you get started. A quick start guide, which will show you what materials you'll need to get started. A 30-day calendar with all the workouts you'll need to get started with, as well as a deluxe calendar. And then there's the eating plan, which includes a tally sheet and a way to approximate how much food you should be eating based on the portion containers, which are fantabulous. Really great way of portioning out your meals and figuring out what are the best meals and calories to take in so that you lose weight. Plus, look at all these amazing desserts. So you saw all the workouts, the workout calendars, the meal plans, and all that jazz. But the big question still remains, does Country Heat really work? Well, I decided to grace you with my on-point dancing skills and actually show you the dance moves that I'm doing and my initial reactions right after doing a workout. Here it is. Oh Lord, I am glistening. Look at all that sweat. Look at me sparkle. Yeah! The Country Heat program lasts for 30 days, and after all that was said and done, I actually ended up losing 4 pounds and 2 inches from my waist, which was awesome. I felt my agility, my focus, and my stamina significantly improve. My sweat game was on fire. And for the first time ever, I actually enjoyed working out.
So if you want to give Country Heat a try, you can try it for free on Beachbody On Demand for 14 days, and I will include my coach affiliate link in the description below.
Now, I do want to let you know that with your free trial, Beachbody will require you to enter in your credit card information. However, after you sign up, you have up to 14 days to cancel your subscription so that your credit card will not automatically be charged after the 14 days are up. But if you really love this workout and you really want to see it through past the 14 days, you will get 3 months access to the Country Heat program as well as the entire library within the Beachbody On Demand fitness app for just $39.95. Pretty cool, right? Or if you like to feel DVDs in your hand, you can be a cave woman and order the Country Heat program DVDs. And as a cave woman to another, love you long time. Ooga ooga. Oh, and I almost forgot. I certainly am not the only one who has seen results with this program. In fact, I'm going to show you other ladies who just love to shake their booty and work out to Country Heat. Here they are. Hooray! So, all in all, have I grown to love country music? Nah. If it ain't Patsy Cline or Johnny Cash, it ain't country music.
The ring of fire.
But do I like the Country Heat program? Oh yes, I like it. A lot. But in all seriousness, Country Heat was the first program that I ever tried that actually did not feel like exercise for me. It felt like I was just dancing and having fun because I just felt like I was being me and just really getting into it. Well, maybe too much. I was surprised for many different reasons. I lost weight, I learned the dance moves very quickly, and I did them really well on my first try. I mean, I was so impressed with myself. And for a girl with 2 left feet, that was pretty damn good. So, what are your thoughts about the Country Heat program? Does this sound like something you'd like to try? Are you dancing in your seat already? Comment and let me know. I'm always happy to hear from my viewers and fans. Hi, Mom. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button so that you can see more helpful reviews, tips, tricks, and other videos from me in the future. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get my dancing shoes on because I'm ready to party. Bye!